Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Vinay Tech Talk. I'm your host, Vinay, and today we are diving into the captivating world of artificial intelligence. Get ready to explore the future of AI, its incredible opportunities and the challenges that come along with it. And don't worry, we'll make sure to break it down in a way that even a 15-year-old can understand. So, let's jump right into it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that allows machines to learn, reason, and make decisions like humans. It's fascinating how AI is already a part of our daily lives, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. But what does the future hold for this incredible technology? Let's find out. Did you know that artificial intelligence has been around for decades? It was first introduced as a concept back in the 1950s. Since then, it has grown in leaps and bounds, transforming various industries and opening up endless possibilities. But what exactly can AI do in the future? Let's explore some fascinating opportunities. Opportunity number 1, improved healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by aiding in accurate diagnosis, predicting diseases, and assisting in personalized treatment plans. Imagine a world where AI algorithms can analyze medical data and provide doctors with valuable insights, leading to faster and more accurate diagnosis. Let's imagine a scenario where a 15-year-old child's friend is diagnosed with a rare illness. AI-powered medical scans and data analysis help doctors quickly identify the problem and suggest an effective treatment plan, leading to the speedy recovery. Opportunity number 2, smarter transportation. AI is set to transform the way we travel. Self-driving cars powered by AI make our roads safer, reduce accidents and provide efficient transportation. Imagine a future where you can sit back and relax while an AI-driven car takes you to your destination, avoiding traffic jams and optimizing routes. Opportunity number 3, enhanced education. AI can personalize education, making it more engaging and effective for students. Adaptive learning platforms powered by AI can understand individual learning styles, tailor educational content, and provide real-time feedback. Imagine having a virtual tutor that understands your strengths and weaknesses, helping you learn at your own pace. While the opportunities seem endless, we must also address the challenges that come with the future of AI. Challenge number 1, ethical considerations. As AI becomes more advanced, ethical dilemmas arise. Questions about privacy, bias, and the potential misuse of AI technology need to be carefully addressed. It's crucial to ensure that AI systems are transparent, fair, and accountable, protecting user privacy and avoiding discriminatory outcomes. Challenge number 2, job displacement. AI's increasing capabilities raise concerns about job displacement. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, it's important to focus on upskilling and reskilling the workforce, ensuring they can adapt to new roles and collaborate with AI systems for enhanced productivity. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Vinay Tech Talk. We've explored the exciting opportunities and challenges that lie ahead in the future of AI. I hope you found this topic as fascinating as I did. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging tech discussions. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology. This is Vinay signing off. Thanks for watching.